Hey guys, welcome back. Today's a quick one. Just received the coolant tubes from Tormach. I'm just bending them up, putting them in. What do I do with the rest of them? There we go. They come in these just straight copper rods, breast ball-ends. They're threaded in. But I did notice when I got them, was the ends of them were focus kind of crushed in, I guess from tapping. You use a small drill bit or a reaming tool. And just clean it up. The other thing I noticed when I put them in, they were leaking all around the ball and at the threads right here. So, quick fix for that. Just a little bit of Teflon. A little Teflon around the ball too when I put it in. I'll show you in a minute. It also makes it nice and snug. I noticed too that it was moving around. Then you just bend them up to size. And just cut them with just any pair of pipe cutters. And after it's cut, just take the reamer and clean out the inside. It'll open up the hole. You can see the holes copper got crushed in. There you go. Get it nice and open. Just take some Teflon. Just wrap it around the bottom part of the ball. Just make sure it's not covering the hole at all. Just give it a little push in. You want to try to keep these lines straight as possible. When you start cocking, it starts cutting down on the water flow. And you can trim that off if you want. Here's some footage of that one. I did already. No water. It was shooting out all around here, just making a mess of things. Shut that down. Try this one. So with that scrap copper that got cut off, I took the brass ball we pulled out too, and I tapped it with a 5mm tap. I made another one. We could use for here, something like that maybe. I don't know yet. I'll save you $9 from buying another one. This was just a quick one this week. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next week.